USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you will find some links. So it says trade like institutions. If you want to make 300 pips in one trade, check out the first link below and you can book consultation. Talk to me if you want to, and of course join free Telegram. Go and join it now. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, you can see we are here. Daily, you can see we are here, and 4-hour, we are still here. So we just touched the EMA. I think we still have room to go up. So look for longs in USDJPY. That's it. Subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to trade like a pro, like institutions, exactly when to enter, when to exit, for how long to hold, then I can't tell you everything in 1 minute. So go and check out the first link below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.